ಹೆಸರು ಓಡೋಗಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಓಡೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಔಷಧ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನಿದೆ ಕಾನೂನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾರಿಗೇನು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಖಂಡಿತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
The Supreme Court refused to stay the interim order against Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar on the CBI's investigation case related to the disproportionate assets. A bench of Justices Aniruddha, Bose and Bela Trivedi issued notice to Shivakumar. The stay has resulted in the halt of further investigation by the central agency. Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, who appeared for the agency, said that 90% of the investigation is over and it's not proceeding further due to the interim order passed by the Karnataka High Court. He urged the bench to lift the stay on the interim order, to which the bench said that it could not grant an ex parte stay. The case will be next heard on November 7th. The Income Tax Department raided Shivakumar in 2017, which led the Enforcement Directorate to begin an investigation, which is the basis for this CBI investigation. Shivakumar was booked under the Prevention of Corruption Act in October 2020 for allegedly possessing disproportionate assets worth Rs 74.93 crore. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for the latest update.